Hi my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel if you are new here, and we are doing a gorgeous hair review because hello. This hair is so bomb. This is the new unit from Luvme Hair. This is their line of All Day Comfort wigs. I absolutely love these wigs. They are so comfortable. This is a throw and go unit, if you can believe it. I just put a little Got To Be hairspray on it, and if you can believe it, she's literally looking like scalp and she's not gonna budge. Just be prepared to see the easiest install of your life because these all day comfort wigs from Luvme, not only are they beautiful and comfortable, but they are the easiest thing to put on your head. I want to put more effort into just like feeling good every day. So this has been saving it for me. This has really been like my go-to. I actually have two other all day comfort wigs, I believe. I have a short like bob that was really cute. It's like very voluminous for like a blowout look. And then I also have a kind of like mid-length one. That was the first one that I got and I was like, I need more. So today we're doing the bust down unit and I'm so excited. So what I always do is spray just like a touch of lace tint on the unit. I do feel like I have to do this just because although the lace is pretty transparent, it will have like almost like a reflection in the light if I don't. Or if I take a flash photo, you'll see like a little bit of a glare. So I have to do the lace tint. I'm gonna use the shade, what shade is this? Light warm brown. And I'm just gonna do a little coat of this all over. And that's basically it. I feel like that matches it perfectly. I don't like going crazy with this because it will make it too dark for me. This is my favorite part about these all day comfort units. This stretch, you can see my finger through this. It's so breathable. It's so comfortable. There's not a lot of combs on this unit. There's actually only one at the back. You can take this off if you don't feel like you need it. I like it having it though. And there's none at the front. Now, usually when there's no combs at the front, I'm scared with glueless units. But this one has the little, what do you call this? Like adjustable strap? I call this like a bra strap. It's literally the same thing. So you can tighten it or loosen it. I have a small head, so I'm gonna tighten it because my head is tiny. And because there's no combs, I like having this snug so that it lays really nice and flat. I've had a really great experience with these ones because they fit so well. And then when it comes to this band, we have that silicone grip. I did already just like leave out a couple little baby hairs here because this is a closure unit. Let's put her on. Hold on. Let's style this baby. I love long straight hair personally, and I like to make sure that she's straight by lining up with my nose. I really don't care to do much, but I am going to use just a little bit of hairspray. This is what I like doing with my glueless units. I just do just like a touch at the front. This just gives me that extra little bit of security because honestly, I be pulling up my hair sometimes when I'm brushing it and I just don't want her to like wibble wobble or move around. That's kind of all I'm going to do with that. I'm just going to let that dry. Let me get a little closer so you can see what we're working with here. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I feel like she's blending really nicely. Like that looks really good to me. I'm going to take just a little concealer. Now, let me be honest. I've tried many of Luvme's wigs before, and I've tried many other brands as well. They're doing this like pre-done glueless style. And honestly, by far, I feel like Luvme is superior. Now, why do I say that? Because the lace looks really nice. It blends well. The hair is full. That's like my #1 thing when it comes to wigs. You never want a wig that is thin. A thin wig is a dead giveaway. And this is just a little wax. They call this the edge booster. I got this at the beauty supply store. This one smells like banana. The lace and the hairline and the part are still looking really good. Honestly, the way that I'm just feeling myself with this hair is crazy. But as you can see, my child is awake. I'm going to go attend to him. I'm going to come back with my makeup done, a cuter outfit on, and I'm going to show you like what the real slay is with this hair. Okay, I'm back. Hi guys. I am back after a full day of being a mom. Honestly, I'm gonna be wearing this so much more often because she looks so good. I really like having a throw and go unit that's straight like this. And there's one thing that I have to notice about Luvme Hair. The hair is silky and soft. Of course, I think you can see that, but the strands of hair, each individual hair strand is thick. I don't know where they're sourcing this hair from, but I really, really like how that looks. Like, I like the look of it. I like the feel of it. I think it looks more natural, to be honest. So that's one thing that's a huge plus. I also feel like after wearing this for the full day, this is the thing about straight hair, you got to keep a hairbrush with you, because if you're going for this like sleek straight look, it can kind of like tangle up a little bit. This one wasn't bad. I didn't find that I had like any major tangles, just kind of needed to finger comb it through every so often, especially at the back. But if I was going out and I was having like a night out, or even if I was going to work, I would want to just have like a hairbrush in my bag just so that I could like lightly give a little comb to the ends just to make sure that it's looking sleek. I think that the lace and the parting look really good. One thing about Luvme hair is their units are full, and that is one of my favorite things about this company. That's why I like purchasing from this company. That's why I continue working with this company. I feel like if you wanted to, you could cut some layers in this and it would really look so gorgeous, but I'm kind of just loving no layers. I feel like it's just giving baddie. I don't know. The All Day Comfort units are my favorite from Luvme Hair. They recently launched these, so if you haven't had a chance to check them out, I'll link some of the others that I've tried down below, but this unit is my new favorite. I also really loved the like little kind of short bob blowout unit that I had, or that I still have from them. My mom is like begging me to give it to her because she loves it when I wore it. She thought it was my hair. She literally thought it was my hair. Definitely check them out. Use my discount code if you want to do some shopping, and you can save like a pretty good chunk of money. I use my own code when I'm shopping from Luvme Hair, and I'll save like almost $100. So very worth it. And I hope to see you guys in that other video very soon. More hair videos coming, and I'm going to be trying more brands and comparing them with the influencer wig that I got. This is like my series that I've been doing on this channel. So if you want to see more of that series, I will link some of those other videos down below as well. And actually, maybe one will pop up on the screen here. Over here. Yeah. Okay. Love ya. Bye.
Jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, black hair by the Regis and pillow, ice around niggas know me, I'm a year boy Ginobili, I've been so gone, single on the body bug, take on the body bug.